Welcome to the Movember Men's Health Initiative. Thank you everyone for coming. Thank you for those who are watching online. I really appreciate you. We were able to communicate to a lot of people and even introduce some information to some about men's health. That includes prostate cancer and mental health.
It's important for all of us to remember that mental health is very important and it's very real.
And this event specifically was to help bring awareness to Movember and men's health. So I was really inspired seeing so many participants, hearing about health conditions, asking questions, and being engaged in these health conversations.
Well, DENSO benefit while having a healthy workforce. So it enabled us to continue our job and make dental prosperous, knowing that when our body's good health, our mind's good health, we can be more productive in our work environment here at DENSO.
This event is something that's very important for each and every person, that we focus on our health and our wellness. And when we're doing that, we're helping not only ourselves, but we're helping our community, we're helping our family, and we're helping one another.
As an executive, one of my responsibilities is to make sure that the workplace is a place that's friendly and hospitable, and a place where you can, instead of having your energy zapped from you, a place from which you can draw energy as you work. A healthy and a happy associate is always going to be a more productive associate.